Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it is time for a new nail polish of the week video. In this series I am swatching, reviewing and just talking about one specific nail polish color in my collection, which is for this week one by Essie, but more on that a little later in this video, because first of all you want to start off with clean nails and of course apply a layer of your favorite base coat, which is in my case one by PJR Care nail polish. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well. And yeah, become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's continue with the first layer of polish, which is of course the base coat. I just wanted to add it to or at least mention in this video that this is an older video. I have actually recorded this, I think it was somewhere in January, looking at the gel polish design that I had on my right hand, because that was actually the first gel polish design that I created on January 1st. But of course I had to shorten my nails. I got a tear in one on my right hand. That is why my ring finger on my right hand was quite short. So yeah, that is kind of a little backstory. So this is a pre-recorded video, but I found the footage back on my computer. I totally forgot about it, but the color for this specific nail polish of the week video is so pretty and I just love it so much that I didn't want to hold back in sharing this color as well. So yeah, if you're wondering, Femke, what's happened to your right hand nails? That's what happened, and yeah, it's just an older pre-recorded video. So yeah, of course my nails are already a lot longer on my right hand, and of course I have a shorter nail on my left hand at the moment. But yeah, life happens, you know. But the color I am going to swatch in today's video is called Sway In Crochet. This one is from Essie. I'm not quite sure if it was from the Spring Collection 2020. I think it is. I definitely think it is now, because the 2021 spring collection by Essie was kind of like fall vibey in my opinion. If you want to see more swatches of like full collections, definitely check out my videos. I have a full on Essie playlist where you can find all of my full collection videos, as well as other nail polish of the week colors that I have swatched by Essie. But yeah, if I remember correctly, this is a color from the Spring Collection 2020. It is still available online. You can definitely still find it. I did so as well. I just got it from a local, I think it's like a makeup web store. So I purchased this one myself, as well as the top coat I am going to share at the end of the video. But yeah, I really love this color. The only thing is, it definitely needs 2 good layers, or even 3. I am going to apply a third coat in this video, because I remember that I wore this color for I think 7 to maybe even 9 or 10 days. And yeah, I just love the color so much. I really wanted to have a super opaque manicure. So yeah, that is why I am going to add 3 colors, or at least 3 coats, sorry. I've had a really long day at work, or at least a really long couple of weeks at work, I have to say. We are kind of like down one man, so we have to do a lot of more work, and it's really busy and really hectic. So yeah, at the end of the day, just as it is now, I'm recording this voiceover, I am exhausted. I am so tired. So sorry if I stumble a little bit when I talk, because English isn't my mother tongue and sometimes my brain just shuts down, or I have a brain fart or something like that. And yeah, sometimes I just say English sentences in a Dutch grammar way, or I just switch up words or something like that. So sorry about that if I stumble a little bit. But yeah, that's just so you know, like I have a whole life next to doing YouTube videos as well. So yeah, even though this is my own business since just a couple of weeks, I'd say, or months, I actually do have a full-time job next to it, and I am planning on doing some videos on how to combine working a regular job as well as doing YouTube. So yeah, please stay tuned for that. I'm trying to make a little script of stuff I want to mention in that video, but as I mentioned, life is so busy, work is so busy, I simply don't have enough time to really sit down and do so. So yeah, I hope that in a couple of weeks, when everything is a little less hectic in life, I will be able to record that video. And of course it will be a face-to-face video, because yeah, I just recently found out that you guys really like me to do more face-to-face videos. So yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing. But yeah, let's get back to this color, because Sway In Crochet is such a gorgeous sky blue color. This definitely is one of my favorite blue tones out there. Of course, I really love the darker, like royal blue, kind of like sapphire blue kind of colors as well, but this is just such a fun spring summer color, and I'm really longing for spring and summery weather, just a little bit more heat outside, you know. I just really want the sun to come out, and even on the day I'm recording this voiceover, it's like a stormy weather day, like the wind is blowing so hard, and I live really close to like sea and beaches and stuff like that, so it always blows a little harder right here than like how hard it does in the mainland or centerland, or however you want to call that. So yeah, I'm really waiting for the weather to become a bit better, and this is just one of those colors which is such a fun and cute color to wear during spring, but also summer. You can wear this pretty much all year round if you want to, of course. There are no rules to nail art if you ask me. It's just nail polishes, and at the end of the day, if you don't like it, you can just remove it. It's as easy as that. But yeah, I am already applying the third coat, if I am correct, to my nails at the moment. Of course, these are my natural nails. I still get so many questions, like on a daily basis, whether or not my nails are real, but to me it's pretty obvious. My nails are natural looking, but for some reason people still have a lot of questions about it, or even doubting if my nails are natural or not, which is quite funny to me because I simply grew them, so I know they are real. I personally don't really like the look of fake nails either. I feel like they're way too thick, and my natural nails are quite strong on their own. I rarely have a tear or break, or when I do, I just shorten them and I just grow them long and strong, back healthy again, you know? But yeah, I am going in with the super dry gloss top coat by Catrice Cosmetics. I'm not quite sure if this one is still available, but it is pretty affordable. So if you are in a drugstore that sells Catrice, or you're on their like online web store or something, definitely check them out, because their top coats are about €3 if I'm correct, and they work pretty decent as well. I just had this one still sitting on my desk. I have an entire like 2-step tray that is full of base and top coats, and I tend to switch it up a little bit. Other than my base coat, I'm just obsessed over that PJR Care nail polish base coat. It dries so fast, and it just has a really nice grip for my polishes to grab onto as well. So it lasts really long without chipping or really massive tip wear or anything like that. And it also protects my nails from staining, especially if I am using darker polishes or very pigmented colors. So yeah, I really love that base, and I highly recommend you guys checking it out because it is so good. But yeah, the top coats by Catrice are really good as well, and once again very inexpensive. The Essie polish was €9.95 if I'm correct. They are quite expensive here in the Netherlands, but I love to spend my money on nail polishes anyway, so that isn't like a big expense on my part. It is pretty much the only thing that I spend my money on, like next to like groceries and household stuff, of course, but everything that I pretty much earn with my YouTube for now goes straight back into the channel to buy more products, polishes, and of course some materials as well as backdrops, camera stuff, and so on, you know. But yeah, that was pretty much the entire new nail polish of the week video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.